Charge 5 devices at once. USB charging cable compatible with Nintendo NDS Lite, Wii U, PSP 1000, 2000, 3000, and Game Boy Advance SP. No need to bring multiple cords. Compact and lightweight multi-charging cable saves space in your bag. Use at home, office, or on the go. Great for any power source. USB port can be plugged into wall charger, car charger, laptop, and powerbank. Heavy duty. Charger cord can support 5 devices charging at the same time. Fast charging and provides up to 2A maximum stable charging speed. Safe and durable material. USB charger cord made of the high-quality wire core that keeps cord and devices safe while charging. Long service life. Top reviews from the United States. Great cable with multiple connectors. I think I originally bought this cable to charge my 3DS XL using my battery charger, which worked great. Most recently I used it to charge the Wii U gamepad as I played it, using both a battery charger and a USB wall charger, and that worked perfectly too. I kind of wish I'd gotten a longer version, but otherwise this one is great and I really recommend it if you need a USB cable with any of the connectors this comes with.